fucking back.
Let me just say it right now. I'm sure Miley's aware of this, but I'm fucking 54 fucking years old, dude. I'm not impressed by Miley Cyrus, dude. I got a blowjob from Heather Locklear in 1988, alright? She sucked my fucking dick, people.
That's good bitches, because Heather Locklear fucking sucked Tommy Lee's dick too, which is killer.
That means I got some of the germs out of Tommy Lee's dick. It went into fucking... Never mind.
It's pretty cool. But you know what would be really cool is her dad's here tonight. We should get her dad on stage and fucking sing a song. Billy Ray, where the fuck are you, dude?
Billy Ray Cyrus is here!
He's doing what? He's getting a shot? He's getting water?
He's throwing up in the bathroom.
He's gone? He had sex with a... what? Oh, there he is.
Where is he?
I don't know, man.
You know what? If we just start playing his favorite song, he'll come to the stage.
Is he still here tonight? You don't know?
Where the fuck you fucking know?
Hey, where's our manager at? Because this is a big deal for us.
Our manager.
Very big deal. Billy Ray.
Where's BRC? Is he fucking here or not?
BRC, Beans, what? Beans, Rice, and Cheese? What are you talking about? Oh, Billy Ray Cyrus.
Billy Ray Cyrus. Is he over here?
Oh, he was over there. Come on.
How many people know where Billy Ray Cyrus is at right now?
He's not on the fucking stage. That's all I fucking know.
Okay, so everybody, now right now he is not in this area. Am I right? Raise your hand if he's not in this area. Raise your hand. Okay, good. He's not over here, is he? Raise your hand if he's not over here.
We're gonna find you, Billy Ray.
Is Billy Ray up there? Anybody see Billy Ray up there? Anybody?
So you know what? That he's missing. It's a big deal.
Billy Ray Cyrus is missing!
Somebody should you here.
Check the bathroom stalls. If he's taking a shit, we can't. He's doing coke, you guys. Where do you think Miley gets her coke?
Ooh, going to royal cocaine. What a big deal.
Everybody here does cocaine. If you've ever done cocaine, don't raise your hand. There you go. Every single fucking person, dude. You know what we should do?
Hey, you know what? Before, hey,
Listen,
listen,
Ray's gonna make his way out here.
he is, but I just want to call out somebody else really quick.
Who?
I'm not asking him to sing. I just want to give a shout out to my buddy Chaz from Nickelback, dude. I love you, bro.
Chaz Kroger's here.
Chaz Kroger, everybody. How many people remember a band called Nickelback? Anybody? Cool. And let's make some noise for Farrah Fawcett. She's in the house tonight.
Farrah Fawcett's dead.
Johnny Winter's here too. This is killer.
Is here. It's a star-studded evening, people.
It really is.
Not only.
Oh, Big Fox from Enough's Enough is here. That's badass.
Where's Big Fox?
Is it up?
There's Big Fox. Oh, we love you, dude. Big Fox is here.
We don't know that song.
I don't know that song.
I know that song.
You still look handsome as hell.
You know it.
Awesome. Pick up that bitch and fucking band right here.
You look really good.
You know what we should do?
What do you want to do, bro?
We should do a fucking song that we fucking wrote off our Field of Steel.
I think it's a great idea.
We should bring up some other fucking friends. The Ninja Sex Party.
Fuck yes. Where's our Ninja Sex Party friends?
Ninja Sex Party at? These guys said they were gonna get on stage. Here we are. These guys, listen, I don't know if this is true. This is a fucking great outfit.
Make some noise for Danny Sexbag!
You guys are fucking
And
amazing.
Ninja Brian!
I'm pretty sure that Ninja Brian's not gonna sing with this one, but he's gonna beat some ass. So if you're in the short road, just fucking be very, very careful. I've seen him pop a testicle before.
So if you've never heard of this band, they're called Ninja Sex Party. I sang on the record. We also did a little brief YouTube video together, and we became close friends, and we've written so many songs together. We thought, why not celebrate one of our old songs with some old time friends here at the closing of the House of Blues? Are you guys fucking ready for this shit right now?
The song's called Party All Day.
I love this song. It's bitchin'.
Set you free.
say that. I wasn't sure you were gonna say that.
That was a fucking great job, dude.
It was amazing. I was so scared. It was like thrilling when the ninja is chasing you on stage. By the way, I don't know if you noticed, but the thing that I said at the beginning of the fucking show, that I promised you I was gonna get that girl to show her tits, she had her tits out the entire fucking time. That last song, it was crazy. You gotta keep your eyes on the tits, people. There's some more tits right there! Woo! Listen, it's the last House of Blues show ever. If you're gonna get on your dad's shoulders like that, you gotta show your fucking tits, right? There we go. That was not very nice. Okay, but your bra is on.
No. Show your tits. Don't you show your bra. Nobody gives a fuck.
Listen, Miley Cyrus is laughing at you right now.
Don't show her your tits. She doesn't give a fuck. Show us.
She doesn't give a fuck about your tits.
We care. Show some titties. Show your tits. Show your tits. Show your tits.
Wow. Miley's missing out. Show her your fucking tits. She likes tits. Yeah. She watched them. Everybody likes tits.
Hey, Satchel, check out who's sitting behind you, dude.
Oh my God, Dane Cook is here!
Oh my God! Dane Cook! You made it to the last House of Blues show with Steel Panther.
Make some fucking noise for the greatest fucking band to rip fucking Sunset Boulevard wide open and fucking up the ass. Steel fucking Panther!
Thanks for saying that, Taylor. I wasn't sure you were going to say it, but I paid him $20 to say that.
I don't know if you know this, but Dane Cook actually was on our second record, Balls Out. He did the very intro called...
It's called The Intro.
It's called the intro, yes, he did it. And he did a great job. Can he say pussy? Pussy. Yeah, that's what he did. Hey, now we were chatting back and forth on Snapchat. You sent me a picture of that chick's pussy. And then he said, hey, why don't we do Panama by Van Halen?